Hello guys, and welcome to a Makada online training, and today we're going to be making slippers. Okay, it's a do-it-yourself at home and it's going to be fun. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so and show me some love and give us some likes. Okay, so we're making a slippers today, and I've already done my designs, which you can also do yours. So I've taken a liberty to create my slippers design that I'm going to use for the uppers. So if you have a design in mind, create it. That's the first and most important thing, is to create your slippers design. So that's mine and I'm ready. So the things I'll be working with today, I'll start with my ruler. That if you really do need your ruler, your steel ruler, then my scissors, which is very, very important. And I have two of it with me. One is going to be for cutting marco and leather, and the other one is for cutting papers. So I have two of it with me. Then I'll be working with my pattern, my silver pen that I'll use to draw the lines. It really brings out the outline of whatever you're marking. Okay. And also in doing this slippers, why I brought it is because a lot of people don't work with marco as an undersole. We rather work with ready to wear, like ready-made soles, like the backing stock, the one I just dropped, and then the rubber one I'm holding. It's ready to wear, ready-made, ready to wear, ready to wear soles. Okay, that's what they use as the sole of their slippers. But in this training today, I'll be bringing you how to work with the marco, using a marco to create your undersole. That's basically why this training is important. So you can replace it if you don't want to use the marco as the undersole. You can replace it by using your rubber slippers. Okay, so we'll be working with our Bontex. First off is the marco on the table, and then this Bontex I'm holding is a hard board that you're going to put in between the shoe, and then this marco now is part of it. Your design, your gum, it's very, very essential to what you're doing. And please try to create your design. You can, if you don't have a shoe last, the green one on the table, place your leg on a paper on the floor and then draw out the shape. Then we're going to use that to draw on the marco, just like I'm doing now. So get your silver pen, place it, try to fit in. Like today, I'm actually going to fit in 3 pairs into this. So you need to use it wisely, so that even if you're getting a quarter of the marco, it is enough, for you to fit in to what you're doing. So that is exactly what I'm doing. And I'm going to fit all of them into this. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, so I've been able to fit in 2 pairs and plus one of the other one, and it's fine. So write on your sizes and then cut out after that. But when you're cutting out, please don't cut on the line. Cut a bit out of the line. After all, you're going to actually use your filing machine to file it to ship. Okay, so next up, after cutting your marco, we're going to cut our Bontex. That's the board. So in case I call it a hard board, it is actually a cardboard. So place your design on the Bontex and then also cut it out. Cut it to shape. Please be careful. So now we have your Bontex, cardboard, and the marco. So next off, after this, we'll actually now cut the main thing that brought us to this, which is our undersole. It's a rubber tire. Yeah, that is it. So we're using this to create the undersole, and you can use your ready-made if you don't want to work with this. So the next thing you're going to do is place your design when you're working with this as your sole, and use your silver pen as well and draw it out. So now we're going to have a pair, which is 2 of it like this. It's hard, it's a hard tire. The edges are rough. Look at this, is really hard. The edges are rough, but like I said, we're going to file it to shape. Okay, so Now we have all the pieces we need for this project at the moment, you know, at least for the insole. We have this, we have the board, and we have the marco. For the outsole, the undersole, we have this, which is the marco undersole as well. So you're going to apply gum to both the insole here, the marco and the board, because we're going to put them together, right? Just like this. But you have to apply gum on it to stick it together. So put your gum, spread it out, spread it out, spread it out. It's very important you spread out your gum, you know, so it could dry fast. So do so on the marco and apply same on your board. Okay, so that's what I've done now. So you have it on the marco and you have it on the board. Do it to the two pairs. Okay, when it's dry, allow it to be dry, and then you're going to put it together just like this. So once you do that, you have the marco and the board as one piece. Okay, that's what we're now working with. So you have this together. Do same to the other leg as well. So put it together. So you have this you're going to have the board and the marco together. Now you're going to apply gum. Don't spread it out like we did the other one. Put it here, put in these two places, and at the end. Don't spread out like I said. And do same. Put it on the board and put it on your undersole, the marco undersole, the tire this time around. Or if you're using a ready-made sole, put it there. Then you're going to file. Now, if you don't have a filing machine, get a brush just like this, and then get a sandpaper, the rough one, cut it to shape to this brush. Put it, just paste it here, rough one. Get a rough one, get a smooth one. So you're having two brushes, and put it just like this. So you're going to use this rough part to actually file your pair that you're working with. So now it's dry. Put it together just like this. Okay. So it's after you've put it together, you're going to now file it with this to shape. But I won't be using this. I'll be using the filing machine because it will be faster for me. But this is just it. File it to shape using your rough sandpaper. Okay. So guys, I had to use a filing machine, and I'm done with the filing, and it's looking nice. So like I said earlier, I won't be tired of telling you, please use your brush in your case, file it and make it look this nice. I worked with the filing machine, so, and filed it to shape. So look at this, it's looking okay. So use your brush and get yours done, and we'll achieve the same result, but just the time difference. It's just it. Okay, so we're going to split it apart. All right, so separate it. Now that you're done, you separate it, because we're going to be working with it separately, right? Work with it separately. And now we're going to be wrapping the insole. We call it the insole. All right. Look at this. I put a foam on my own, but you don't have to. You can skip this part. I have this pain in the heel thing, so I foam all my slippers just to give me that, you know, foamy feel, right? So you can skip this part actually, and just proceed to the next part. Okay. So I'm going to be working with my leather. I'm making the slippers for this bag actually. So this leather is going to be for the uppers. It's going to be the same with that. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so and show me some love. Okay, so that's for my uppers. And this light leather I'm going to be using to wrap my footbed. Okay, so that's for the insole. I'll be wrapping it with a light leather. All right, so next off is going to be our wrapping. Okay, so let's wrap our insole. So like I said, you don't have to use this foam, right? So this is my light leather. Please, when you're buying your leather, let it be light. It's for wrapping. And like I had said earlier, you don't need to put the foam. So put it like this, and you're going to outline the insole this way. But please, you must have enough space to be able to wrap this round. Okay, so make sure when you're placing it, you have enough space. So you line the two of it just like I've done here, you're going to put gum here and on the other one as well. So we'll apply gum on our light leather just like this, okay? And then spread it out, leave it to dry. You apply gum here too, but please, if you're actually working like this, don't put gum on your foam. Just put on your leather and not on the foam. Put it on the marco, okay? Because like I said, you don't have to foam it like I've done. So when you don't foam it, please don't apply gum on the foam, because you can't put gum on the foam. Put on the marco itself, okay? Not the foam. Marco and the leather. But if you're using my foam like I am, please don't apply gum on your foam. You don't need to, okay? So place it this way and then apply some gum on around the board like this, okay, just like I'm doing now. So put your gum around it and then you're going to spread it out, okay? So I'll spread to the parts that the gum didn't touch on the leather and do same on the insole. Okay guys, so we've actually applied gum and we are now wrapping the insole. But before wrapping, because you have curves, so you're going to notch around so it can allow you fold easily, you know. So now fold over your insole. So just try. The first time maybe seem a bit difficult, but if you keep, you know, pressing your leather forward the way I'm doing this, then it's easy to, you know, get your curves. And it's all wrapped. Look at how neat it looks. So, and it's soft, you know, on the other side. So the next thing you're going to be doing is skiving. All right, I love using razor blade to skive, but you can also use your skiving knife. All right, so whatever is easy, this just works perfectly for me. So you need to skive the leather so that it can take gum and also reduce bulk. That's the essence of skiving leather. All right, so that's what I'm doing here. Or you can actually use your sandpaper. You know, I always say put the sandpaper on a brush, you know, and that's what you use for filing. So that's it. Then use your mallet and just lightly press it down. So next thing is we are going to be working with the uppers. This is what I'm trying to create. I've already created my design and I believe you have a design as well. So this is it. So you're preparing your uppers. It's done. I've sewn it round. This is the design I'm actually creating. So I want to put it on my insole. So you're going to be working with your last at this point in time, okay? Well, if you don't have a last, please work with your leg. I mean, if you're just starting, or try to get one, okay? So I'm going to put it over it, you know. So check for the right legs, put your uppers on it. You can also use your nail, please, just how to stick down the insole to the last. It helps, so it makes you walk easier, but I don't like the hole it keeps most times, so I prefer to walk this way, okay? So I'll try to check where I'm going to put it to, and then so I just want to see the design, what it looks like. So this is how it is, and it has a black strap over it. So this is it. And next is to mark it and then apply gum. Basically it, you know. So place it over it, try to get the markings like where it is going to be. I don't know, I think I have a video that tells you how many inches away from your toe point and all that. So mark it out so you know where to apply your gum, and then apply your gum. So this is it. I've applied my gum and I have put it on. It's a lasting process now, so we're about lasting. This is just the last part of it. So that's my undersole that we had used the marco to cut. So basically that's it. So you're going to now apply your gum on your sole and the back of, you know, your insole. But before then, please just try to use your brush, not your brush anyway, your sandpaper, and file it. You can use your filing machine if you have, and then you apply your gum. So once this gum is dry, you know, it won't stick to your hands anymore. We're now going to get to the final process. So please start at the front part, the tip to put it together, your coupling. This is the coupling process. After that, don't touch the middle part, please. Just go to the end and put it together. It works easier that way, and you have a better looking slides, right? Then you now put it together. It's quite easy, to do. And do that to both legs. So that's it. Just try to put it together. And after this, then you're going to now take up your three-way metal to give it that little. Look at how lovely this is looking, neat, lovely, and you're doing it at home. And of course you can sell this and make as much money as you want, or make it for yourself, family and friends. Okay, so after this, we're going to use a three-way metal and try to use your mallet as well. So, but please put a light leather over it so it doesn't scar your lovely looking slides. All right, so do that, then take up your mallet and then just give it those light hit around just to make it stick properly together. And if it doesn't eventually stick the way you want it, please apply gum to it. Look at how lovely this is sitting. So I didn't just do this, I did all the other slides there. So take up your new, it's a neutral polish, so I use it to just give it a shine, so that the final look of your slides would look appealing and nice, right? So that's the essence of the natural polish. So, and that's it. So you're ready for sale or as a gift. It's all done, ready. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and show me some love and encourage me. Put on that notification bell icon so you'd get noticed when I upload more videos. So I'll be seeing you in my next class. Love you. Bye.